Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here. Hope all is well. It's Friday, July 12th. The market just closed 20 minutes ago. I just finished streaming. As always, it was a great time hanging out with everybody during the stream. If you were there, thank you so much for hanging out. If you weren't there, you missed out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my future streams. I stream every day I hop on between 2 and 3 p.m. Eastern time for New York, and I stream 2 and through close. And I stream during the London session. I hop on anytime between 2:30 and 3:30 a.m. Eastern, right around when London opens. Not only do you get to watch me trade like a degenerate, but you also get to hang out with some really awesome people in the chat. It's a great community that we're growing. It's the DCA gang. It's the DGen fam. You're more than welcome to come join us. Anyway, let's get on with it. Let's get this shit out of the way. Let's get the bad news out of the way. Today was an awful day for me. Like awful, awful, awful day for me trading. I don't know what the fuck happened. It started off good. It started off great. But let's focus on all this negative shit. Get it flushed. Let's flush it. Let's get it out of the way. Let's fucking clear the air. Let's flush it. It started with these two. These two, 77, 78, were at $3,854 or $3,853 in total profit before I started trading today. And then look what I did. This is where I fucked up. Let me find the exact spot where I fucked up, because I only needed to get like $2,746 or something like that more to put myself in line for a payout for both of those accounts. I could have gotten $6,000 between combined between the two of them. So what did I do here? Where is it? Where is the bad trade? What time did I do it? I'm trying to find it. Right here. It's not a bad trade. It was a good trade. This was my first trade of the day. Here's the problem. I took some baby gains, and I should have realized that we were trending, right? Look at this. We've been trending for a while before that, and I should have just stayed in long, and I was only in one mini. All I had to do was ride this up for another 20, 30 points, because it went up almost 100 points, and I tried going against it a bunch of times, kept going against it. Then I thought we were going to go up a little bit higher, so I went long, and then sure enough, it fucking dumps like I was waiting for it to happen. I was waiting for it to dump, and I played it completely wrong. And before I know what these accounts were gone. I was copy trading 77 and 78. Awful trading by me. Awful, awful, awful trading by me. It overshadows the really good stuff that's happening, which I'll tell you about in a second, but awful fucking trading. I lost these accounts. I worked hard to get them passed. I worked hard. I was through 5 days, I was up $3,800. And I just needed, this is the second time I did that with the 250Ks. I need to stop this shit. This is fucking unacceptable. There's no reason for me to blow through all of I had all of my drawdown, just about. There's no reason for me to blow through all of my drawdown in a handful of trades. There's no fucking reason. Unacceptable, inexcusable. I was fucking pissed. I was looking for some rope in my house, but I couldn't find it. Being sarcastic, but that's serious. If anyone's thinking about that, get help. But the prop firm game could do that. I was fucking so pissed off. So these accounts are gone. Awesome job by me. Then I continue. I was actually up $4,600 in these three accounts. The Big Daddy, what was this? The No Diddy Eval group. And then somehow during the stream, I managed to fuck it all up and lose all of it. Blew these accounts. There were some crazy moves. There were crazy dumps, and I got caught in all of them. So I got caught in this shit. Fucking loser status there. And then I had this brand new funded account. Where is it? Oh, right here. 413 was a brand new. This rebuild just happened like the other day. Yeah, it looks like I'm up $1,205, but really I'm not. The account's blown because I was up a lot more and I blew my $6,500 drawdown. So another fucking loser day J day. This was a loser day J day for me. The good news is, here's the good news. Well, I went and got it during the stream. I did it for the stream. I went and got I reset a 50K that I had, a blown 50K that I had in my account. And I took one trade with 5 contracts, 5 minis. Where is it? 414. I did it towards the end of the day. Right here. I did it. It took literally 2 1-minute candles. It took like less than 2 minutes. And I went up. I knew it was going to happen because we dumped so far down. I knew it was going to jump. No, I didn't know it was going to happen. I just had a feeling it was going to pop. And it popped enough for me to get that thing over. I was only in 5 minis. And I passed another. So I will have another funded account on Monday. I'm really pissed off about this. I'm like super fucking pissed, especially because had this not happened, I'd be going in. I wouldn't have even cared about this as much. I'd be going into the weekend flying high because you know why? The only bright spot aside from passing this 50K eval is I secured the bag. Number 76, PA number 76. Today is day 10. All I had to do was flip micros yesterday and today because I've been over since Wednesday. I've been over the $2,600 required profit target to qualify for a payout. with Apex on a 50K. I needed to get to 2,600. I was over that on Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday, I was way over. I was like $285 or $385 over or something like that. So I figured, why not, instead of flipping micros on Thursday and Friday, I figured, why not take a couple of trades, give myself a short leash. I was able to get it up some more on Thursday, and then I took one trade during the overnight for $61. I said, I'm done. I'm at 53,000. I did not DCA this account once. I added to losers a bunch of times, but you're allowed to do that. You're allowed to add, well, once. You're allowed to add to a loser one time. You're allowed to add to a losing trade one time, and you're within, and that doesn't violate their DCA rule. So I never violated their DCA rule. I have on multiple trades, I have added to losers one time. But I actually like doing that. It's actually not a bad strategy if it's in the right spot. Like, if it's in the right spot on the chart, it works. It actually works out a lot of times. But I don't recommend you do it. Don't do anything I do. Just look at this shit. Look at all this shit. I didn't violate the consistency rule on this account. I did not bracket trade this account during the market open because I'm never even awake when that shit opens. When the market opens, I'm never awake. My position sizes were very consistent for the most part throughout the 10 days. And my risk to reward is money. My risk to reward is more than acceptable. Let me show you the risk to reward. I'm basically showing this for Apex. This is for Darrell. Darrell, if you're watching, I should be good, man. You should be accepting my payout request. I will be making it hopefully Sunday night. Hopefully I'll be able to make it during the stream if it flips over. If Apex flips, and you could request the payout, because the 15th to the 20th is the payout request period. So I'm eligible to request a payout as soon as I'm able to on the 15th, and I will. I will be requesting the max. Let me do the custom range. I'll show you my risk to reward. It needs to be between like 4 to 1 or 1 to 4 or whatever. I got confirmation from other really good traders that have gotten multiple payouts from Apex. They know how to read it better than I do, and they said I was good. And I know I'm good because they're close. They're kind of close together. So let's say June. I think I got the account on June 28th, but I'm just going to back up to the 24th just to be sure. So here it is. Average winning trade, $109.83. Average losing trade, $154. I am well within the range. My win rate is 73%. My largest winning trade is $640. My largest losing trade is $680. So that's acceptable as well. So I'm good to go. I didn't violate the DCA rule. I didn't violate the consistency rule. I didn't violate the risk to reward ratio rule. I didn't bracket trade. So there is no reason why I should be denied my payout. So I'm looking forward to requesting it. I'm super excited about that. But it's overshadowed by this. I'm so pissed off about this. But the only saving grace is that I did pass another eval in one trade. I took advantage of Apex's 1 day to pass deal, and you can too. Apex is doing 80. They extended their 80% off deal. They're habitual sale extenders. You could get 80% off any size eval until the end of the month. They still have 1 day to pass in play. $35 resets are in play, which is great because I think that might be the lowest reset price in the industry right now. $35 resets is awesome. And if you pass the 150, 250, or 300K evals, you could activate them. You could pay a one-time, lifetime $85 activation fee, which is also a great deal. That's only for the bigger accounts. And you could get any of those bigger accounts for $40. I would stay away from the 300K. People like the challenge, but I think it's just way too much. The 150K and the 250Ks are just fine if you want to go that route. They're only $40 right now with the 80% off. And then it's $85 lifetime activation fee. If you have an Apex account and you want to grab more evals and you want to support the channel, use coupon code ZERODAYJAY. It'll get you the best deal available, which right now is 80% off. If you don't have an Apex account yet and you want to check them out, click on the link in the description below. It will take you there. And if you want to use my coupon code to secure the best deal available, ZERODAYJ is the coupon code. It's also in the description. Just copy and paste it or just type it in either way. ZERODAYJAY, ZERODAYJAY. It'll get you the best deal. Not only will you be supporting the channel, but it just happens to have the highest pass rate and the highest payout rate according to the prop firm streets. If you ever hung out on my streams, you would see people all the time saying, "Yeah, I just passed a bunch more evals with the best coupon code ever. Your code, Jay. I just got paid with the best coupon code ever." I can't confirm it or deny it. I can't confirm. Well, I'm not denying it. I can't confirm it with actual data, but it's a magical coupon code. You have to be on the stream to see it, to experience it, to understand just how powerful of a coupon code it is. If you don't want to use my coupon code, it's no big deal. the fact that you're watching this video right now and hanging out and subscribe to the channel, hopefully, or hang out on the streams, all of that is support enough. Obviously, I'm joking about having to use my coupon code, but it is the best coupon code. It is the best coupon code in the world. But anyway, that's all I got for you today. Real shitty day, but not completely shitty. I did secure a payout. I did secure the opportunity to request a payout with Apex. Hopefully they approve it. There's no reason why they shouldn't. I gave them no reason to disapprove, to deny my payout request, but we'll see how it plays out. I'll keep you posted on that. Trade of 8's starting to update right now. And I'll have another funded account on Monday as well. 414 will be a funded account. So that will be funded account number 79. Awesome job by me. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Enjoy your weekend. I'll talk to you soon. Depending on when you see this, have a good weekend. If you see it after, have a good day. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. See you.